Imagine writing down the name of a card before you even have them shuffle the deck, before you have them do anything. You're going to write down the name of a card, and then you magically find that card after it's been shuffled, after it's been rearranged, and it's going to be exactly where you said it was going to be. Now, this is a trick that has no switches. It has no sleights. It's just pure divination. This is called the Ultra Card Divination, and it's an underrated miracle from the royal road to card magic. Now let's see it in action. I have a trick called the Ultra Card Divination. Okay, I'm going to take the cards out of the deck here, and there's no cards left in the packet here.
Nope.
Okay, just going to give it a quick shuffle, and big thing here is I'm going to count the cards in front of you. I want to make sure that you know that this is a full deck of cards. Okay, and I think I might have messed up here. I think I might have shuffled some jokers in there, so we're going to pull those out right away too. Okay, so we got 1, 2, and this can be a little bit of a process here. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and that's 52, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just going to put these cards up on the platform here. We'll take these jokers off. We don't need them at all. And I'm going to make a prediction, okay? Because I'm going to have you do pretty much the rest of the trick for me, okay? Right. This is going to blow your mind. I know it will. Okay. But I'm going to make a prediction. I'm not going to show you what this prediction is. And what the prediction is the card that you're going to end up with at the end here, okay? And we'll see how accurate or how divination these cards are, okay? So we're going to go, okay? And I'm going to fold this so you cannot see it. Okay, and let's do this one. So I'm going to put it right on the platform here, so that way you can see whether I touched this or not, whether I changed it or not.
All right.
Okay. What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you pick just a selection of cards. Let's say a little less than half the deck there. Okay. And if you just want to hand those to me, and I'm just going to spread them out. I'm going to have you pick at random 3 cards. I don't care where they are in here, but pick 3 cards out of here, please.
Am I supposed to shuffle first?
Nope.
Oh.
That's fine. Okay. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you flip those 3 cards over. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is we're going to try to get these piles to total to 10. So for example, this 6, we'll throw cards face down, okay? 1 at a time, we'll go 7, 8, 9, 10, and we'll get this, go up to 10. So if you want to pick that packet up, please.
All right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, and then we have 9, so you got 10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. You can put that aside there. If you want to take all these cards off now and just put them on one pile. Okay, you just set that aside. Now what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you total this up. So what is the total of that? So we have 6 plus 9 is?
15.
Plus 2 is?
17.
Okay, so if you want to pick up the full deck there, please. And I'm going to have you put 17 cards face down, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Good. You can set that down. That's fine right there. Take this, put it on top of there. Okay, now, in the beginning of this card magic trick, I made a prediction of what we're going to be, what the next card will be. Okay.
All right.
What do you think the chances of that happening is? Because we shuffled everything up and everything's kind of randomly put on the table, was it not?
Yes, I'd have to say the chances are 1 in 52.
That's a very good idea. Okay, so I'm going to open this up here. I predict that you're gonna do, and hopefully the camera can pick this up, the 9 of clubs.
9 of clubs.
Okay, so if you pick that packet up, please. And if you just flip the next card over.
Wow. You. 9 of clubs.
Do you want to master card magic faster? Grab my free first 100 Techniques PDF. It's your step-by-step guide to building real magician control. Download it now and start practicing smarter today. Click in the link in the description below to get your free copy. Now let's get back to it. So what we're doing is, we take the deck of cards here and I open it up and I bring it out and I purposely leave the jokers in the deck, and then I don't show the jokers right now because they're right on the bottom of the deck. I show that the box is empty and I just throw it aside, and I'm just going to take the cards, I'm going to shuffle them up really quick, and I'll do an overhand shuffle really quick. And all I'm doing is I'm just trying to bury those aces right now. And I'll just do, whatever. It doesn't have to be pretty. Just throw it in. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to count these cards, and I'm looking for the, make sure that we have the entire deck of 52 cards here. But I'm also looking to take out the jokers and make sure there's no jokers in here. I know there's some jokers in the deck, at least 2 of them, if not more than that. But we're just going to count the cards, and what I'm really doing now is I'm counting down to the 34th card, and I'll show you how this works. So we're going to count 1, and I'm going to put them down like this, 2, 3, and I'll do it out loud, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and having the jokers in here gives you a good reason to also count the deck so that we can get them out of the deck. So we had 8, 9, here's a joker, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and you're counting aloud so they can hear that you have that many cards as well. 23, 24, 25, here's another joker, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I'm trying to remember this card because that's the card I'm going to write down. It's the 6 of hearts. Okay, so remember that one. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay, so we're going to take the jokers. We're going to throw this aside. I'm going to take the deck. I'm going to square it up. Remember, it was a 6 of hearts. It was the 34th card. That's the card we're looking for. Okay, I'm just going to put them right there for now. Okay, and I'm going to write down secretly the 6 of hearts. Okay, now I'm going to put the pen down. We'll put it off to the side here, and I'm going to fold the card like this before they even have any chance to see what it is. Okay, so that way it's pure divination. And I have some, let's do it this way because I have some writing on the paper there. So we're just going to fold it in half, okay? And I'm going to put it like this here, so that way they can see that I'm not touching that deck at all. I'm not touching the cards or the prediction whatsoever. It depends underneath here, so they can see that if it moves. And that's all part of the illusion. It's all part of what's going on here, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the cards here, and I'm just gonna go through, and I'm just gonna take a little bit less than half of the deck off here, and I'm gonna put the rest over here, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread them out here, and I'm gonna have them pick out 3 cards. So let's say we pick out here. It does not matter which card it is actually. Let's pick one out from here, and let's pick one out from here. Okay, it really does not matter. I'm going to take these cards, I'm going to replace them on top of the deck again. Okay, I'm going to have them turn the cards over. Okay, and here is the thing. You can have them do this part of the trick if you want. Okay, so you're going to say, I want to have all 3 of these piles total up to 10. So this one is 10. So for example, and I'll show you what to do for this first one, but you're going to do for the rest of them. The first one has to be 10, so that's 9, so let's put 1 card on top, and that makes it 10, okay? The next one, I want you to put 5 cards on top, and I want you to actually count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? The next one, we're going to make that look like 10 as well. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And then I'll have them take these cards, pile them back up, and we'll just throw them aside. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to total up all 3 of these cards, and we're going to deal that number of cards down as well. So we have 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. So let's deal 20 cards down and have them counted out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? And I want you to turn the next card over and put it on top of the deck. Okay? Now, have I touched the cards whatsoever? And you say, no, you haven't. You know, or they say, no, you haven't, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And I want to show you something really neat. So in the beginning of the trick, I wrote down a card. And, you know, I was sitting over here. I didn't touch that prediction at all. The pen still is there. And this is what I came up with. And all you can do is just look at them, and then look at the card, look at your paper, and then hopefully they have an amazing reaction. Now, there's psychology and, you know, presentation involved in this trick here. And, you know, what you're really trying to do is you're trying to show fairness. You know, you're supposed to emphasize that they did all the shuffling. They did all of the counting of the cards. They did, you know, all of pretty much everything that was involved in the trick, other than the beginning where you actually counted the cards out for them and you gave them the idea that you're just looking for to make sure that the entire deck is there, but also taking those jokers out. Another thing you want to work on is timing with this trick. You know, make sure that you pause before you flip that card. You know, let the prediction breathe a little bit. But let's do it this way, and this might be a better way that you can do that prediction. You know, I predicted the next card is going to be the 6 of hearts, so this is an alternative way to do that. And they look at the paper, okay, 6 of hearts, and would you please flip over the next card? And there it is. So that's an alternative way of doing it. You can either do it the way that we originally did. We could flip the card over and then reveal it and let it sink in. Or you can reveal it and then flip the card over and let it sink in that way as well. And then the last thing you really want to work on is your language cues, and remind them, hey, I wrote this in the beginning of the performance. I folded it up, I put it over the pen, and I did not touch it at all since we started. Did I get them to respond? No, you didn't. You know, it's been sitting there, it's been untouched. So that way you can, you know, marvel in the magic of counting all those cards and how everything's out of order and all that stuff. Again, it all comes down to knowing the 34th card in the deck. So that's the Ultra Card Divination. It's a mind-reading classic that feels like pure fate. So if you want to learn more Riffle card shuffle tricks that have kind of that prediction structure, make sure you click the play link on the right-hand side here, and that'll bring you to all the tricks that we've learned thus far in our card magic journey. Remember, this is a card magic journey that I want all of us to join on so we can learn together, we can grow together going forward. Remember, this is my card magic journey. Let's make it yours too. We'll see everybody in the next video. Make sure you give me that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe.